Hello children, and welcome to this edition of Miss Sonko's internet didn't work, so now she has to make a video. In this edition, we will be traveling to Ford.com, and we are going to be pricing a Ford Focus. When you get to the starting page, go ahead and click on the Focus. In class, we talked about the city mileage and the highway mileage and how to calculate for that. What you should then do is go to Build and Price. And I am going to build my own car. Now, I don't want the electric Focus, I want the gas Focus. And I want a sedan. According to your worksheet, you'll notice that I then ask you to price the SE and the 5-speed manual. You will notice that the 6-speed automatic is actually a little bit more expensive, but we're going to use the 5-speed manual. I am not getting the Sirius XM radio, so I'm continuing with this package. I'm getting the SE Appearance package. Now, this is an extra cost, but I'm going to take it, so I say yes. Now I'm going to hit the blue button until I reach the pricing page. This is the pricing page. You will notice on this page it gives you a base MSRP. That is not the MSRP that we are using for this car. We are actually using for the MSRP the net price, which is $20,840. So on your worksheet where it says MSRP, you will write $20,840. From here, I'm going to go to calculate payment. And you'll notice there is a leasing tab and there is a finance tab. From the leasing tab, I have a 36-month option. I'm going to make the down payment $0. You'll notice the annual mileage is about what we calculated. That means my leasing is going to be $263 a month. Now that's for 3 years, once every month for 3 years. From there, I'm going to go to my finance tab. And you'll notice once again there is a down payment. There's the terms, 36 month, 48 month, 60 month, 72 month. On your worksheet, I've outlined for you what options I want you to look at. So I'm going to start with the 48-month term, $0 down. So my down payment is $0, 48 months, and you'll notice that then my monthly payment is $440. Now, I'm going to change my down payment to $3,000. When I do that, my monthly payment goes down to $377. Now, I'm going to return my down payment to 0, and I'm going to see what happens when my finance term becomes 72 months. Even though I don't have a down payment, it still goes down in price to $311. But when I put in a down payment of $3,000, it goes down even farther to $267. Now for each of these, my annual percentage rate and options has been 1.9% APR, and I get a $500 cash back. So looking at your sheet, it should look something like this. Now I'm going to find my final cost of car. To do that, my final cost is going to equal my monthly payment times my number of terms, so how many payments I make, plus my down payment. So if for 48 months, $0 down, I have $440 for 48 months, and I didn't pay anything down. And then I go on my calculator. $21,120. So I'm going to put that right here. Now you'll notice the MSRP, the original price I was supposed to pay, is less than my final cost. That's because when you finance, you have to pay interest. Interest is bad. We don't like interest. Well, bankers like interest. I don't like interest. So to find my price difference, I'm going to do $21,120 minus my MSRP, $20,840, and that's going to equal $280. Not too terrible. What you'll notice, though, is the more expensive the car, the higher the price difference. I'm now going to look and see what happens, though, when I have $0 down, 72-month payment. So I'm going to take 311 times 72 months, and you'll notice I actually pay more. So $22,392. And my price difference is $1,552. In other words, the longer you pay, the more interest that accumulates by a lot. Now let's see what happens when we have a down payment. So if I take my 48 months at $377 times 48 months, $377 times 48 months, and then I add my down payment of $3,000, I have $21,096, which has a price difference of $256. So I saved myself some money by having a down payment, but not too terribly much. Once again, as the price of the car goes up, then so does the amount of money saved by having a down payment. When I go to a 72-month lease, once again, my price per month, number of terms, plus my down payment, I have $22,224, which means, all in all, my price difference is $1,384. So here I saved a little bit more money, but not too terribly much. So you're going to do this for each of your cars because I said so. And because I want you to know that sometimes life is hard because I care about you. Have fun.